And you know how Texas is. If you get the 25 years, you're probably going to be doing a majority of that 25-year sentence. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
How old are you?
27.
You're 27. You've made your life more difficult than it needed to be. So, do you have children?
No, Your Honor.
That's a good thing, because you're not ready.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're diving into another intense courtroom session with Judge Boyd, where she's laying down the law like only she can. From a defendant with a Grim Reaper tattoo facing serious prison time to another facing deportation after a felony plea, this video is packed with raw moments and life-changing consequences. Judge Boyd doesn't hold back, dishing out tough advice and real talk about life choices. Stick around to see how these cases unfold, but trust me, you won't believe what happens next.
You're sitting on the front row. This is not Baptist church. Now, when you're at a church, they usually tell people who are trying to sit on the back row, come down to the front. This is not the church. So the only reason why you're on that front row is because, yes. And thank you so much for coming. Court is calling 2023 CR 7014, State of Texas versus Joseph Willan Griffin. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Carl Bass for defendant, Your Honor.
Okay. And are you Mr. Griffin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Griffin, showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiting count two to proceed on count one with the enhancements.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Griffin, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction? If the state is able to prove the repeater count paragraph, it's been a Monday, then your range of punishment will be anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will find you guilty, and the court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true in states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, just ask the court to follow the plea bargain and negotiating with the state on this case.
All right. The court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Court is finding the enhancement true. The court will give you credit for any time served. Taking consideration JN 2126028. We're going to go off the record. I see your tattoo is of the Grim Reaper. Do you want the Grim Reaper to one day find you at the Bexar County Jail or somebody else's jail or at prison? Or would you rather be in the free world?
I'd rather be home with my family, Your Honor.
All right. So if you continue doing what you're doing, the next time you are out here in the free world and you do something of this nature, depending on what you charge with, your minimum is going to be 25 years. And you know how Texas is. If you get the 25 years, you're probably going to be doing a majority of that 25-year sentence. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
How old are you?
27.
You're 27. You've made your life more difficult than it needed to be. So, do you have children?
No, Your Honor.
That's a good thing, because you're not ready. But your parents, I'm assuming, are still here?
Yes.
I don't think they ever dreamed that their child would be going in and out of prison. Do not become institutionalized. Fast money is usually not good money. And I will tell you, the people that I've represented before and what I've seen in my time on the planet, when you make fast money and it's money that's not made in the correct way, that money just goes through your fingers like water. You don't even realize what you spent it on. You have nothing to show for it. So for your fast life and the fast money that you're trying to make, the only thing you have to show for it is prison time, jail time. Don't come back here for this nonsense. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you planning on getting more tattoos? Maybe. Oh, that's okay. So what's up with the face mask tattoo? That looks like from Maximum Overdrive.
This one?
Yes.
It's a laugh now, cry later.
Oh, laugh now, cry later. Well, but sometimes people laugh and cry at the same times. And then sometimes people are saying, I got to laugh so I won't cry.
Yeah.
All right. But if you check Maximum Overdrive with Emilio Estevez, that looks like the face that was on the diesel. But good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. Court is calling 2023 CR 4823. State of Texas versus Willan Galas Jimenez. Could I have parties announced for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
The attorney record is Monica Guerrero. Joseph Stateson standing in for her. Ms. Guerrero had prepped him for a plea, and we explained that I was going to stand in to finish the plea. And Mr. Jimenez, would you give this judge permission for me to do the plea in place of Ms. Guerrero?
Yes. All right. And we do have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, and if you'll state your name for the record.
Arlene Abrams, license number 2081.
You're here so much, I never memorize your license number.
I know those numbers.
All right, Mr. Jimenez, all of the documents that I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes,
And did you understand all of the documents?
yes,
And counsel, it's my understanding that Ms. Guerrero does speak Spanish. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And does she speak it fluently?
She does.
And I noticed that you were here in court with Ms. Guerrero when she was going over the paperwork with Mr. Jimenez. Did she explain that paperwork to him in Spanish?
She did, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Jimenez, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney, and did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're proceeding on count one alone, waive the remaining counts.
Any objections to the waivers of counts, the remaining counts?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand? You're charged with the offense of aggravated assault against a security officer. That is a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
yes, yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
no,
Counsel, has your client had an opportunity to speak with an immigration attorney?
There was no immigration attorney. However, Monica Guerrero had explained that he would be deported as a result of this plea. He would not legally be allowed to return into the United States lawfully. And he currently has a parole hold. And he knows that he will be taken into custody, into prison, and deported after he finishes his time. And knowing that he still wishes to go forward today.
Is that correct, Mr. Jimenez?
Yeah.
in Spanish. Yes,
All right. Did you understand the consequences of entering into a plea agreement in this case and the impact it will have on your immigration status?
yes,
You understand that consequences in this case of pleading no contest or guilty could result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, or the denial of naturalization.
yes,
Do you understand those consequences?
yes,
Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just ask you follow the agreement and give him all his back time credit.
All right, court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 7 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There is to be an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. Court will take in consideration grand jury number 79719, 27, 793, 728, 2970. There's to be no illegal reentry. That's a double negative. I'm sorry. There should be no entry into the United States unless it's done legally. And again, there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. And I'm sorry, that other grand jury number is 793730. All right, is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Nothing from defense.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. So, Mr. Jimenez, whatever your country of origin is, that's where you're going to be sent back to after you complete your prison sentence here. Do not come back here unless you come back legally. If you come back and you're not here legally, what's going to end up happening is you will have a case here in the state courts as well as in the federal court. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
So guys, today we saw Judge Boyd bring the heat with two defendants facing serious consequences for their actions. From Joseph's 6-year sentence and a warning about his life choices to Willan's 7-year term and impending deportation, Judge Boyd didn't just hand down rulings. She dropped some real wisdom about breaking the cycle of crime. What do you think about these cases? Should Judge Boyd have been tougher, or was her advice spot on? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want more courtroom reality like this, hit that subscribe button and join our community for more.